Welcome to the portals of Adarsh Institute of Management and Information Technology. Adarsh Institute of Management is affiliated to Bengaluru City University and approved by All India Council for Technical Education. Well, to talk about Adarsh, what one would get when a student enters into Adarsh Institute of Management. Yes, I will proudly tell you that at Adarsh, you get professional education par excellence. And it's not only just academics. You have a lot of exciting activities in the campus, you have a lot of co-curricular activities, you have a lot of extracurricular activities. To enrich the curriculum, we offer a lot of value-added courses. To name a few: SAP certification, Six Sigma certification, Advanced Excel certification. Transform your life with Adarsh Institute of Management. Good wishes.
At Adarsh Institute of Management and Information Technology, we engage and involve students with a lot of employability skill programs like personality development, soft skill training, aptitude, group discussion, and mock interviews. We also offer them with a lot of industry certified programs like data analytics, digital marketing, SAP, and advanced Excel programming. We don't just bring companies for the students, we bring a lot of reputed brands so that students have a lot of options to choose from the desired placements they want. We don't just create employees for the companies, instead we create managers for the future.
Hi, I'm Saranya. I'm pursuing my MBA degree at AMIT. I take a great pleasure to talk about the placement department of our college. Right from the first semester, we go through a rigorous training during our MBA program. It is evident from the placements our friends have got in both national and international organizations like London Stock Exchange, KPMG, and Google with knockout packages. We have been given various internship opportunities and skill trainings to excel in our area of interest.
Hi guys, I'm Likit from First MBA. I wish to share few experiences of the various activities conducted here in our college. We have various cells in support for the development of the students, both in terms of academics as well as extracurricular activities. We have the student development cell, we have the student seminar series cell, we have the knowledge exchange series cell, we also have the case study writing cell, the working paper cell. Oh, there are so many cells. These cells really help us in holistic development of the students. We also have various certification programs like Six Sigma, Advanced Excel, SAP, and foreign languages. All these certification programs really helps us in enhancing our communication skills, analytical skills, and also critical thinking skills. So guys, join us and feel it. It's really luscious.
Hello everyone, I am Anand. I am pursuing my MBA at Adarsh. As MBA program is designed in such a way that students get exposure on both theoretical and practical knowledge, we require some personality development skills. Hence, our college is giving more importance on all kinds of career development skills. We have student development cell for the same. We have come across some of the activities like unique show called Rise Up, Quarantine and Talent Out, and we had quiz on entrepreneurship and marketing. All these activities have helped us to improve some of our soft skills like leadership skills, interpersonal skills and communication skills. Many more fun-filled activities are loading for upcoming days. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rachna Dinkar from Adarsh AMIT. Today I would like to talk about two courses offered by our college, Hello English and Toastmasters. Hello English has strengthened our fundamentals on language skills and Toastmasters has further refined it. These skills have made us industry ready. I am happy to be a part of it and so should you. Please come and join Adarsh AMIT to explore more.
Hello everyone, this is Diya Jain from AMIT. As you all are aware about the Advanced Excel and PowerPoint courses and its benefits today, our college made it really interesting, mandatory and fun even during the pandemic time. I'm extremely happy to be a part of Adarsh AMIT and I welcome all of you to join this institution.
Hey, I'm Husna, happy to share something about Adarsh. Adarsh AMIT provide lot of opportunities where we can shape up our personalities. Adarsh AMIT provide lot of forums where we can display our talents like Freshers Day, celebrating important festivals like Navaratri and important days like Kannada Rajyotsava. All these activities helps us to entertain, relax and rejuvenate so we can come up with a fresh mind and perform better in academics. Being a cultural coordinator for all these activities, I have learned lot many things like people skills and organizing skills. I would like to thank the management, the faculty members and the principal for providing all these opportunities.
Hello everyone, I am Vinay Reddy from batch 2022. I am from Hyderabad. My stay over here in Bangalore along with pursuing my MBA is quite enriching. One of the things which a management student should have is a broader mind and a holistic thinking about different aspects of life and career, which is being effectively brought into our routine at campus by observing and celebrating days of national and international relevance, which helps us to be more social sensitizing and to be more responsible in our life and behavior. Celebration of all these days like International Yoga Day, World Environment Day, World Literacy Day and No Tobacco Day helps us to be more sensible in our lives, which also gave us a more insight about the outer environment, not only focusing on our studies and education. This helps us to enrich ourselves, to develop our skills and many more. I would like to say one thing, you just aim it, our faculty will help you to get it.
Hello everyone, this is Tejashwini, a proud alumni of Adarsh Institute. Besides, I've had the honor of securing the first rank at the BCOA exams held during the year 2020. In fact, I've been consistently pursuing the rank 1 in my college, so this university rank is just an added icing on my cake. Here, the faculty members in Adarsh AIMIT demonstrate immense care and commitment towards the students. Right from the beginning of my MBA program, I've got an opportunity to hone up my presentation skills and also overcome my stage fear. It has added a lot of focus towards the academics and as well as my co-curricular activities. Here, after spending 2 valuable years at Adarsh AIMIT, I've now been rendered as industry and job ready. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Kaushik from first year MBA. I'm grateful for the various opportunities that have been provided for us. Currently, I'm student coordinator for Knowledge Exchange Series 7. This is a platform for industry interaction wherein we invite experts from various domains for sharing their insights on the current industry practices. One such interaction was held with Mr. Sundaresh Jagadishan of Philips India Limited, wherein he spoke regarding the organizational changes and the work-life ethics.
Hi, I'm Rakshita MS, currently in the second sem of my MBA course. Being industry ready requires each one of us to have certain practical and analytical thinking. Writing case study along with faculty members was one such unique experience. This gave us an opportunity to think critically, also to apply and understand business situations effectively. The journey of learning at Adarsh has always been exciting to me.